Guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I'd like to show you personal selection result of Galaxy Watch or Huawei Watch GT2. I've been uploading several comparison videos and the final selection is Galaxy. GT2 is a nice smartwatch and I could also say better than Galaxy in some way, but the reason why I selected Galaxy is simple in 3 points. First, Galaxy can reply the message like this. You can select the sentence to reply or write emoji or voice detect. Right? And as you can see, Galaxy has very unique rotating bezel UI. It's very natural operation of using watch. And finally, third one is the vibration strength of Galaxy. This is enough, but GT2 was weak. Sorry, I cannot show you the difference in the video. So in this comparison, I found what is important to me is how quick and smooth I can respond to the message. Okay, go. Then it goes. With emoji. Then reply with voice. Hello. So this is the detailed comparison chart. Notification, Galaxy Watch can reply, vibration enough, strong, UI, unique physical rotating bezel, step detection, Huawei Watch GT2 I think is more reasonable, sleep tracking also, and always on display is I think Galaxy is better, watch face no limitation. For the Galaxy, a phone call both okay, but line, voice over IP call both couldn't with Android. Please check the comparison videos in the description. The biggest difference is battery life. I think you can choose Huawei Watch GT2 only from this reason. It can last around 10 days, while Galaxy can only last 3 days. The measurement condition is shown here. Always on display disabled for both. So this whole comparison is very personal. So please take it just as a reference and choose what you want. Alright? Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please press good button and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.